Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I am unboxing the GE 30-inch 5-burner 5 cubic feet self-cleaning air fryer conventional oven freestanding gas range. It is a stainless steel, so let's go ahead and unbox this. This is a beautiful stove. I love it so far. Here's all the functions. We got bake, broil, high or low, warm, conventional bake, conventional roast, air fry, oven light, self-clean, steam clean, delay time, and cook time. And then if you hold down, you could lock it as well. So that's a nice function as well. Start, cancel, and off. Here's all the number buttons with the timer as well. So this also is like just a beautiful stove. I needed a new stove. I'm upgrading from a plain basic white one to this gorgeous one. So I also wanted to mention that this does have griddles on it, or a griddle. This came from Lowe's for about $1,100 with sales tax and all. And you got 5 of the knobs as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take a beautiful look at this gorgeous piece. So right here is the griddle part, and then on the 2 sides of the griddle, you got the burners on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and open those, show you guys what they look like, and then let's plug this baby up and see what it all does. Right here you have the little like turn knobs on it. You get 5 of the knobs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then also you have like the oven, and then I believe the broiler underneath. So again, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so I finally got it unboxed. This is what it looks like completely out of the wrapper, out of the boxing. So you got the griddle for your pancakes, bacon, and then you got the large, the extra large burner, the very small one, the medium size, and then the large. And then open it up here, and this is what the inside looks like. You got the fan back there, so beautiful. And then if you want to steam clean it, you put some water right there where it shows, and then turn it on and steam clean. So that's really cool. I'm gonna plug it up and see how it works now. Oh, that's tight. Okay, so I finally have it hooked up to the area it's gonna stay at. I've got the timer and the clock working, got it all plugged up, and then I also wanted to show you guys how nice this part is, like where you put the broiler food or to broil your food. Look at, it's deep, and you just put set your upholstery right there, go ahead and shut it, and then cook it. And that is just so gorgeous. Got the light on, and that's what it looks like on the inside. I cannot wait to use it for dinner tonight. Great purchase. I cannot wait to bake, to cook all kinds of good and fun stuff for my family, and that's what it's looking like. Thank you for taking the time out to do this unboxing with me of this GE gas stove. So thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave that question comment down below. See you real soon.